The partnership between Zebec Network and Stellar marks a defining moment in the evolution of global payroll, stablecoin adoption, and real-world crypto utility. This is not just another integration, it's the beginning of a large-scale financial shift where blockchain infrastructure meets everyday financial needs at institutional scale. At the center of this transformation is the ZBCN token, which plays a critical role in powering the entire Zebec ecosystem. With Stellar selecting Zebec for global stablecoin payroll, ZBCN becomes more than just a utility token, it becomes the economic engine driving transaction flow, fee capture, and value accrual across a rapidly expanding financial network. Zebec originally built its foundation on streaming, payments, and innovation that allows money to move continuously, instead of in delayed batches. Traditional payroll systems operate on weekly or monthly cycles, creating inefficiencies, liquidity gaps, and administrative overhead. Zebec flips this model entirely. Salaries can now stream in real time, second by second, directly into employee wallets. This concept alone is powerful, but when combined with Stellar's global payment rails, it becomes revolutionary. Stellar is already known for its fast, low-cost cross-border transactions, and its integration with MoneyGram opens access to over 50 million users worldwide. That distribution layer is critical. It means Zebec is no longer operating in isolation within the crypto space. It is now plugged into a global financial network that bridges digital assets with cash systems. In the real world, this is where the scale narrative becomes undeniable. Imagine employers across different continents paying workers in stablecoins via Zebec's streaming infrastructure, with funds instantly accessible through MoneyGram's cash-out network. No delays, no expensive intermediaries, no banking friction. This is not theoretical anymore, it is becoming operational, and every transaction flowing through the system contributes to the value of ZBCN. ZBCN powers fees, supports network operations, and captures economic activity generated by payroll streams. As adoption grows, so does the volume of transactions and with it, the demand for ZBCN. This creates a direct link between real-world usage and token value, something many crypto projects struggle to achieve. The bullish case becomes even stronger when you consider institutional demand. MoneyGram is just the beginning. Once infrastructure like this proves reliable at scale, other financial institutions, fintech platforms, and global enterprises will take notice. Payroll is a trillion-dollar market. Cross-border payments add even more volume. Zebec is positioning itself right at the intersection of both, and institutions don't move small amounts. They bring massive transaction flow, consistent usage, and long-term integration. If even a fraction of global payroll begins to migrate towards streaming, blockchain-based systems, the impact on ZBCN demand could be enormous. This is why many early observers are calling this moment a turning point. For years, crypto has been searching for real-world utility beyond speculation. Zebec is delivering exactly that: practical, scalable, revenue-generating infrastructure. Stellar provides the global rails. MoneyGram provides the distribution. Zebec provides the application layer. And ZBCN ties it all together economically. Everything is aligning. The narrative is no longer about what if, it's about what's happening now. The timing is also important. As stablecoins gain regulatory clarity and global acceptance, they are becoming the preferred medium for digital transactions. Businesses want stability, not volatility. Workers want reliability, not risk. Stablecoin payroll solves both problems, and Zebec is building the rails to make it seamless. This creates a powerful feedback loop. More users gives more transactions gives more fees gives more ZBCN demand gives stronger ecosystem gives more institutional interest. That's how network effects are built. And right now, those effects are just beginning to kick in. For ZBCN holders, this is the bigger picture. It's not just about payroll anymore. It's about owning a piece of the infrastructure layer that powers the future of money movement. Wallets, cards, payroll systems, and payment rails are converging into a unified financial stack, and Zebec is positioning itself at the center of that transformation. The integration with Stellar accelerates everything. It removes friction, expands reach, and unlocks access to millions of users who were previously outside the crypto ecosystem. When you combine that with Zebec's continuous payment model, you get a system that doesn't just compete with traditional finance, it outperforms it. Faster, cheaper, more transparent, more flexible. This is why the statement massive adoption is here is not just hype, it's a reflection of what's unfolding in real time. The infrastructure is being built, the partnerships are being formed, the users are coming, and ZBCN sits right at the center of it all. The question now isn't whether this model works, The question is how fast it scales from here. Because if this momentum continues, Zebec and Stellar won't just be participants in the future of finance. They'll be defining it. Satoshi Guy.